Okay, Jason, so this is gonna be a little shaky because it's just on my phone. USB installed. You're gonna go here to settings, and then see here, I got these menus that I was telling you about. You're gonna go to system admin, and you're gonna get a pop-up that asks for the password. Put in password 520. And then once you put the password in, you're gonna hit macro manager. And then you're gonna wanna do an import. And here's the import screen. So this is defaulted to my network. So you're gonna wanna go up here to device select, and this is USB 2 over here. So I'll go over and highlight USB 2 and hit enter. And then you can see there's the file. Let's go down, hit select, hit next. Do you wanna import? Even though it's asking for a macro and we know it's a sub. Okay. Give it a second. Success. So now if we can go back, we can just hit that export button, and now you can see, because when you hit export, it gives you a list of everything that's in there, so you can select them all. You can see it installed. And that's it. In fact, we can go, while I got here, let me go back to the monitor screen. This is the program. We'll run it. I'll give you a little video of it running. Speed it up here. It's just running this quick little contour. Stay back over here so you can see the M98. And like I said, it just, you can see hit the M98 real quick, jumps to this blank screen. If you look up there, you can see it's running 01002. It's on line number 3, which all this is doing is a tool change, and it's gonna change right back out of it. It's just something I could do real quick to make sure it was working. You can see now we're out of the sub and back running the main program. So, hope this helps, buddy.